Let him be anathema then. That's what you want? Go for it. Go to hell then if that's what you want.
Right.
Or just make another one. So it's not a matter of, oh man, this is just a dark day for the new IFB. No, this is a good day.
Amen.
Because at least we're not deceived. It's like, oh, okay. The sheep's clothing is falling off. Well, now we know. Is it a bummer in a sense? Yeah, because we didn't know. But now that we know, it's not a bummer.
Right.
Because it's like now it's out in the open. Now we know that he's a false prophet.
Right.
Okay? And look, now the thing you ought not to do is just start suspecting everyone in our church. Is like, man, I wonder who's the Judas here. Ulysses. Is Ulysses? Yeah. Marcos. That's right. You know, you start coming up with all. No. Trust no one, but suspect no one as well. Okay? And look, we ought to trust the Lord. And look, I mean, I'm sure Pastor Anderson trusted the Lord, and that's why Garrett came out as being a false prophet. That's a good thing. You know, it came out that he was revealed in that manner. So the sermon is simply this. We need to curse those who God curses. Just let it be anathema.